HTG PRO certified machines, where reliability meets innovation. In the world of construction, reliability is key. But what truly sets a pro machine apart? At HTG, most important components, from wires and switches to transformers and inverters, have passed at least one of rigorous UL and CSA official certification. Additionally, our pro machines come equipped with additional fuse protection. Let's talk about style. Our pro machines boast a sleek design with striking red, white, and black tones, blending beauty with functionality. Take the 820 or C Pro. For example, its motor boasts 30 HP, which is 5 HP more than the standard size, delivering unmatched power and performance. Or consider the 955 LE Pro, with its larger display and wider handle, making operation smoother and more intuitive than ever before. And rest assured, all our machines have undergone rigorous testing and have proudly earned the QPS certification, ensuring top-notch quality and safety. HTG PRO machines, where reliability meets innovation. Experience the difference for yourself and take your construction projects to new heights. Elevate your floor game. Secure your spot for a live demo at htgnorthamerica.com and immerse yourself in the unmatched performance of our equipment. Please note, personal protective equipment is always recommended when using surface preparation equipment.